Good morning, children. I hope you're healthy and fine. Stay at home, stay safe. Spencer had rightly said, life moves on, and so should we. With this thought, we are creating these educational videos for you all to benefit. Today, I, Priyanka Thakur of Mount Carmel School, is going to explain you the poem of Grade 7, A Boat Beneath the Sunny Sky by Carroll. Lewis Carroll was a pseudonym of Charles Dodgson. Pseudonym means a fictitious name used for writing. Fictitious, you could say a pen name. He was a very famous English writer. His writing subjects were mainly children oriented. His most renowned works are Alice's Adventure in Wonderland and its sequel, Through the Looking Glass. He was noted for his facility at wordplay, logic, and fantasy. He was born on 27 January 1832 in UK. As a boy, he excelled in mathematics and won many academic prizes. The poet here in this poem describes the drifting of time through images of its consequences, the changing of a season, the loss of wonder or innocence that often accompanies the transition to adulthood. A Boat Beneath a Sunny Sky. It is an acrostic poem. Acrostic means the first letter of each line forms a meaningful word. The first letter, that is A of first line, L of second line, I of third line, C of fourth line, E of fifth line, forms the word Alice. In the entire poem, you'll find it Alice, Pleasance, Little. Alice is the same girl of Alice's Adventures in Wonderland, who was once his muse. This poem is a light-hearted poem about a boat ride that Carroll went on with Alice and her two siblings in the summer and his interaction with them. It also describes his sentiments and the sentiments of the children after they are separate. It consists of 7 3-line stanzas. It follows an interesting rhyming scheme where the 3 line of each stanzas rhyme, but not all of the stanzas rhyme. Like in second stanza, near, year, they rhyme with each other. In the third stanza, sky, die, July, they too rhyme. Likewise, in the other stanzas too. In the first stanza, a boat beneath the sunny sky, lingering onward dreamily, in an evening of July. This poem begins as a remembrance of this specific ride. The tone of this first stanza seems happy and alluring, as it is a summer time, and the group is on a leisurely boat ride on the river. The poem is full of symbolism. Here, the boat is a symbol of time. The poet uses the image of a boat drifting lazily in the stream on a warm July evening, and the children are sitting next to the poet to hear the stories. The boat on the stream stands for the passage of the time as children move from childhood to adolescence. In the second stanza, children 3 that nestle near, eager eye and willing ear, pleased a simple tale to hear. Pleased means happy. The poet and the children are in the boat sitting next to each other, listening to the poet and his tales. Nestle means settle near. So 3 children, one is Alice and 2 more children are with the poet in the boat, looking at him with eager eyes, with curiosity and willing ears. They are happy to be next to the poet, listening to his wonderful and amazing stories. The third stanza. Long has paled that sunny sky. Echoes fade and memories die. Autumn frost have slain July. The tone changes suddenly in the third stanza. Words like die, fade, and slain show that something negative has occurred. I believe the specific stanza to relate to Alice growing up. Carroll describes how the sunny and the warm days, means the childhood days, the happy days, are fading away and the weather is turning cold. Now the children have turned into adults. Summer is turning into autumn. The poet remembers the happy time when the children were young, full of bubbling happiness, curiosity, eagerness to listen to the magical stories of a wonderland that he had created for them. He says echoes fade. Echoes means he was able to hear those voices of those far away times, and memory dies. Memories of those enjoyable times when the children remain in the mind of the speaker. Here, the summer season symbolizes childhood, and autumn season symbolizes adulthood. Autumn slain July means the summer season is all over. The summer season is taken up by the winter season. That means the childhood of a child is over, which is taken over by adulthood. The innocence is all gone forever, and he's not going to get that same time again. Now, children, we'll meet in the second part for further explanation of the poem. Bye for now. Take care.